to take on this post. I came from the Department of Migrant Workers. I started my service with no less than the great Secretary Susan Ople. Worked with the Secretary Hans Leo Hagda, who was the previous administrator. Walang ibang tinuro si Secretary Tunes at si Sec Hans. Kitang-kita nyo naman po sa lifestyle pa lang po ng dalawang naging secretary na integrity should be upheld, that transparency, and let me say this to everyone, we will follow the lead of the President and the Secretary. We will have zero tolerance policy for corruption in OWA. We'll launch this and wag nyo na hong subukan. Pero let me also take note, no? Sabihin ko lang din, OWA personnel work 24/7. Kung meron mang ganitong kontrobersya, hindi ibig sabihin buong OWA ay kailangan, please, grabe po ang sakripisyo nila dahil po sa ating mga OFWs, sila po ay nag-commit dyan. So, para po pangalagaan ang tiwala ng ating publiko sa OWA, gagawin po natin yung kailangan para protektahan ang integridad ng OWA at integridad po ng mga nagtatrabaho sa OWA at nagsasakripisyo para sa mga OFWs.